Chicago Pizza, we've got about 100 plus outlets pan India, and we've also ventured into UAE. We're the winners of Best Pizza Award. These outlets are typically opened in just 100 square feet carpet area, which is really a USP for the brand, 10 feet by 10 feet, wherein all your oven, computer, AC, freezer, make line, camera, dough mixer, everything sets in just in a 10 by 10 square feet area, which is usually a takeaway environment for a mall or a food court. When it comes to a sit down, we put in extra chairs and tables, and outlets operate out of a 500 square feet going up to 1,000 square feet. Now, whichever space a franchise finalizes, and we can suggest these spaces because Swiggy, Zomato also guide us on the locations. We've got our own competitor research to assist the franchise in getting the best location. But once it's finalized, and the final choice is always of the franchise for the location, we only guide. The 2D, 3D, and working drawings for these franchisees and locations are provided by us on a complimentary basis, in which exactly how the outlet would look is shown, how the plumbing, tiling, branding, electric work needs to be done is displayed in a 7-8 page drawings. This is completely complimentary, free of cost to the franchise. This is done so that he gets the power of negotiation and he can choose any contractor of his choice to get the work done. In 25 to 30 days, this work is usually completed. And before that, our operations team visit there, they see everything is in place, launch the outlet, remain there for week 10 days till everything is streamlined, and all that cost of accommodation, conveyance, etc. is borne by us. We supply centrally dough, sauce, cheese, non-veg, veg items, packaging, including housekeeping items to the doorstep of each and every franchise. We've got the top food technologists, chef, and cooks working for our kitchen, in which we already provide pre-made or pre-mixes to retain the quality. Pizzas are no doubt made of bases, and bases are made of flour. So we already add dough conditioner, gluten, salt, emulsifier, dry yeast, and flavor in it so that customers don't say there is less of salt or more of salt in a certain location. We grow our own tomatoes through farmers of a specific variety, blanch, pulverize it to make our own pizza pasta sauce internally with 100% pure tomatoes. I'm not aware of any other brand that would do that or take that headache. They usually utilize puree and add spices into it. The cheese or the veg items, each and every item has got a shelf life for 1 year plus. Including the veg can be stored actually in room temperature like jalapeno, red paprika, olive, corn, mushroom, pineapple, and still in room temperature they've got a shelf life for 1 year plus. Though we keep replenishing these ingredients on a monthly basis, but anything that is left with also doesn't go waste. It can be utilized the second month, so wastage is completely zero. In terms of investment, the equipments that I mentioned for the 100 square feet come at a consolidated price of 12 lakhs. The designs are provided complimentary from us. The contractor might charge maybe 4-5 lakhs to set up the place in terms of civil and branding. So it adds up to 16-17 lakhs of actual investment. Additionally, we only charge a 5 lakh rupee franchise fee. And of course, I'm over a call, so if you need some goodwill discount, you can always come in touch. So investments more or less are below 20 lakhs for a complete sit down kind of outlet. And over here, the sales, I mean, though our Patna outlet might be doing about 15 to 17 lakhs, and in UP, we've got it in Lucknow, Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Meerut, Muzaffarnagar, Dehradun, Agra, Hardoi, Etawah, some Tadla, Bakevar. Srinagar, we opened a 1200 square feet opposite Dal Lake. So from Guwahati to Chennai, everywhere we are. And Gujarat, we launched in Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Bhuj. Bhubaneswar has been blocked, Raipur. All top malls and food courts. We would be present in Delhi. We started in Elante Mall in Chandigarh, and we've taken over the Domino's operations in Kidzania, Delhi, and Sbarro operations in Kidzania, Bombay. And now we are looking at taking over the Pizza Express operations of Kidzania, Dubai. So, well, just looking into all this, I would just finally let you know how the ROI works. Forget the 12, 15 to 17 lakhs of sale or the 7, 8 lakh sale that commonly happens at outlets. Even if we are able to accommodate a sale of just 5, 6 lakhs and 50% of deliveries and takeaway, that means 3 lakhs of deliveries, 3 lakhs of takeaway sale. Total is 6 lakhs. 35% goes into ingredients and royalty. 28 to 30% is actually raw material costs. 9% used to be the royalty. We've cut it down to 6% post-corona. So total adds to 35%. 15% goes into electricity and salaries. So a person is left with 50%. Usually the rents are 10%, but even if we look at rents at 20%, the net profit would come at 30%. 30% on a sale of 6 lakhs is 1.8 lakhs, which accumulated over 12 months is 22 lakhs. So you recover your complete investment in a year, your equipments become free, and the second, third year when you yourself would say, I want to open your second, third, or you want multi-unit franchise. That's what other franchisees have done. And everyone today has about 3, 4 outlets, and we've been able to grow to 180 plus. So guys, you can always call me. My number is 98 101 3 8883. 98 101 3 8883. Vishal Kapoor, founder and director, Chicago Pizza.